Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their cleaning businesses with digital marketing. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a profitable cleaning business with digital marketing. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to grow a commercial cleaning business with LinkedIn without having to use paid ads. So let's get into it. So the first thing you might be wondering is, do you need a LinkedIn business page for your commercial cleaning business? And there's kind of two sides of it, right? So the strategy I'm going to walk you through in this video, you don't need one, but it can certainly be something you want to implement in the future. When you set up a LinkedIn business page, what it can do is kind of give you an omnipresence feeling with your online presence. So the more areas that you can get exposure for your business, typically the better. But again, with this strategy in this video, you're not going to need a LinkedIn business page to take advantage of it. So really the first step that you want to do is set up and optimize your LinkedIn profile. A couple things that you want to be sure to do with this. One is to have a picture of yourself and make sure that it's a professional picture. You know, LinkedIn is a little bit different than Facebook. It's more professional, more business based. So make sure that your professional photo is in your profile. The other thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a cover photo. Make this professional as well, but in addition, you can list some different benefits of your cleaning business, maybe your core difference, you can have that listed in the picture, and then also even a call to action. So maybe give us a call for a free estimate, or if you have some type of lead magnet offer that people can download, you could have a call to action for that as well. And simply just list your commercial cleaning business website as well. You know, a lot of people don't actually even have a cover photo set up on their LinkedIn profile. So just the mere fact that you have one is really going to separate you from a lot of the other people in the industry. You also want to fill out your mini about section in your profile as well. Now, this is a smaller section, so you don't have a lot to write there. But again, talk about your key difference, a little bit about your cleaning business. Maybe you say something like president or owner of XYZ cleaning company. We help business owners do blank, right? So you want to talk about basically who you are and how you help people with their business in relation to your cleaning business. And again, you can put your website, a call to action, your phone number, different things like that in that initial about section. Moving on, you're going to actually have a more in-depth about section that you can fully fill out. And so again, some of the key things you want to list here are going to be your experience in the cleaning business industry, in that space, some of the features of your business and company, and then obviously you want to list the benefits of your service in relation to your ideal customers. This is going to give you a great framework to really position yourself as an expert in the industry and in your field. And then also throughout that about section, make sure at the end you have some kind of call to action. This could be offering a free lead magnet, like a free download, maybe an ebook, a cheat sheet, or again, obviously you want to also list getting a free estimate or a free quote on commercial cleaning, and listing your website, listing your company phone number to drive traffic to that website. The next key step that you want to do is dive into networking on LinkedIn to grow your connection base of your ideal customers. So really how you do that is pretty simple. You want to just go up to the search bar on the LinkedIn profile there, and then you're going to click on people to make sure that you're just going to find people. From there, you're going to go over to the all filters section, and you're going to add a couple filters that make sense for your business. So some of the key ones that you want to do, one is to use second connections. I highly recommend using this filter of second connections because it's really like friends of friends. So instead of going to a cold audience, you at least have some people in common, and the likelihood that these people will connect back with you is much higher, and you're going to get a lot better results doing this. So you have the second connection. The next one is going to be a location filter. So that's just going to be honing in on where you actually do business for your cleaning company. So typically they're going to list major cities here. They might even have like a general area. But again, if you're a national company, you could just do the United States or whatever country that you're in. You're going to get results doing that. So once you've got the second connections and then the locations down, the next thing that you want to do is type in job titles and make it who your ideal customer is going to be. So again, that could be things like facility managers, property managers, building owners, various things like that, because those are going to be your ideal customers for your commercial cleaning business. And then again, think of the different services that you provide. So if you clean banks, maybe you clean schools, government facilities, medical facilities, think of the people that are in charge of hiring a commercial cleaning service in those industries. Those are the job titles that you want to be connecting with. So again, once you've applied these filters, a list of people is going to come up. At that point, you just want to connect with people that look professional, right? And so there's some key signs to actually look for with that. One is having a profile picture. Again, you're going to have people that come up that don't have profile pictures listed. I typically don't recommend connecting with those people, because if they're not engaged enough to even upload a photo onto LinkedIn, they're probably not going to respond to messages. They're probably not going to connect back with you. And one thing when you're kind of networking like this, if you have way too many pending requests or too many pending messages, you can get labeled for spamming, and that's obviously not something that you want to do. You want to connect with real people that engage with your content, that you can message, that you can build a relationship with. So again, find these people that have their profile pictures listed. Another thing to look out for is that you're going to see how many mutual connections you have in common. So obviously the numbers that are higher are better people to start with, connecting with at first. And just understand, when you first start doing this, you might not have a lot of mutual connections, but as it builds over time, you're going to start to have dozens, potentially even hundreds of mutual connections, and then people will just connect back with you very quickly at that point. Now, some people might wonder, do you send like a custom message when you hit connect with these people? I personally don't necessarily agree that you should do that. Sometimes it can come off really spammy and weird. So I would recommend against that. We'll get to actually what you say and how to send a message further on in the video. But at this point, just click connect, and the ones that see your profile, if you've set it up professionally, are likely to connect back with you. Now again, the next step is going to actually be sending that message to this new person. Wait until they actually connect back with you, because if you send it beforehand, like I said, it can come off spammy, and then also it can lead to people not even seeing your messages. And then again, like I said, when you have too many of these messages built up over time, it can get yourself kind of into like LinkedIn jail almost, where you're kind of labeled as a spammer. And so again, you don't want that to happen. So I would recommend, as you're sending out these connection requests, only do like 10 to 15 maximum a day, and then wait until people connect back with you to send a message out to them. Now again, with this message, you don't want to be over the top spammy or pushy or immediately jump into selling your products. You basically just want to make that connection. You might say something like, hey, I definitely appreciate you connecting back with me. I couldn't help but notice you work as a blank, as a facilities manager. Our company, XYZ Cleaning, we work with a lot of people in that space. Just figured I'd reach out and connect. Another thing that you can do as well is add in some kind of call to action, but just do it subtly. You're not trying to push your products. You're not saying, hey, hire us to do your cleaning. At this point, you're just kind of planting the seed. So an example might be something like, hey, by the way, we have a free guide on helping people lower their building management costs. If you'd like to check that out, let us know. We'd be happy to send that over. Or again, you might say something like, hey, if you have any questions about commercial cleaning, I'm always here to help. Great to connect. Something like that. So it's a little bit less aggressive. You're just kind of planting the seed and saying, hey, I'm here for you if you need us. And then again, from there, you can move on to building that relationship. So again, following this process, you're really going to start to get a lot of connections. You're planting a lot of seeds with your ideal customers, and you might even start to get in some conversations that can lead to new business. But at this point, now what you want to do is start to use content marketing to really attract people to your cleaning business and your cleaning service. So as your connections grow, you're going to want to post blog posts or even create articles on LinkedIn that are value-based content. So it's really just focused around serving your target audience, helping answer their common questions, helping solve their problems with value-based content. And when you do that, it positions you and your cleaning business as an expert in the industry, that you're the go-to person they want to go to for commercial cleaning. And if they're deciding between your cleaning business and another, they're going to choose you versus someone else. So this is very important. Now, we recommend doing blog posts, potentially over articles on LinkedIn, just for the mere fact that you own them. When you create a blog post, it's on your website, it's on your blog, it's something that you own. And then you can also capitalize on SEO. So as you write out these quality pieces of content, people are going to find your site organically beyond just that on LinkedIn. So share them on LinkedIn, and what happens is as you build out this network of your ideal customers, they'll see those posts. If they resonate with it, they're going to come to your website, read your content, see you as a credible resource, and then you're going to have options on that website to generate leads. So this drives traffic to your site, helps you generate more leads. And again, that can turn into new potential cleaning clients for your business through LinkedIn. So again, guys, hopefully you got some benefit and value out of this video. If you did, feel free to comment and share. Like I said earlier, be sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications if you haven't, to get updated with the latest videos on helping you build a profitable cleaning business with digital marketing. And if you're struggling to generate leads for your business, if you'd like to check it out, we actually put together a free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to generate more cleaning leads for your business, click on the link below this video to access that free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. But once again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.